Today I have a Kia Sportage, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the side view mirrors on this particular Kia Sportage. But before I get started, can you please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way. I'll appreciate it tremendously. So in order to adjust the side view mirrors on the Kia Sportage, you're going to first have to locate the controls. And the controls on this particular Kia Sportage, if you look over here to the left side, are down here. Do you see this right here? These are the controls for the side view mirror on the Kia Sportage for both the passenger would be over there, and the driver's side. Now, in order to operate it, you go down right here, and you see this right here? This switch toggles between the passenger and the driver's side control. So if I want to control the driver's side, what I'll do is I will click that to the left on this vehicle, and then I'll use this pad right here to direct the position of the side view mirror. And you can see I'll pull out. I'm using this and controlling it to get it to the right position so I can see behind me. And once I get it to the right position, I can see behind me or on the side view, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get ready to adjust for the passenger side. So what I'll do right here is I will click that over, and now I'll use the pad right here, and I am adjusting it. Do you see that right there? I am adjusting where the side view mirror, do you see that? Is just like that. And once I get it to the proper position that I would like it at, I'm going to come back over and just leave it like that. I can leave it either way that I want to. And just go ahead and look out the sides of the mirror of my car, because now, guess what? The side view mirrors have been adjusted. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember to read your owner's manual, your user manual, so you know exactly how to operate the side view mirrors on your particular vehicle. This is just a guide on this particular Kia Sportage. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.